The all-new Mazda CX-30 compact SUV has been awarded the highest ever adult occupant score by the Australasian New Car Assessment Program, ANCAP. The all-new model, which is positioned between the smaller CX-3 and larger CX-5 models in Mazda's expanding SUV lineup, managed an astounding 99% score when it came to adult occupant protection, a record rating for any car tested under the ANCAP criteria. According to ANCAP Chief Executive James Goodwin, the CX-30 performed exceptionally well across the range of destructive crash tests, including the full-width, side impact, oblique pole and whiplash tests. Only minor reductions were seen for potential injury risk to the lower legs in the frontal offset test. Along with that stellar adult occupant rating, the CX-30 managed a high 88% child occupant protection score, and it also scored very well for the important categories of vulnerable road user protection, that's cyclists and pedestrians, and safety assist systems like lane keeping assist. The test scores are based on Euro NCAP testing, which took place late in 2019. And the CX-30 will therefore wear a 2019 date stamp for its 5-star score. Had it been tested under the new, now even stricter 2020 ANCAP criteria, it may not have fared so well. The Mazda CX-30 will be sold in Australia with a choice of 2 petrol engines and will be priced between $29,990 and $43,490 before on-road costs. The 5-star ANCAP safety rating applies to every single variant in the CX-30 range, sold both in Australia and in New Zealand. Watch the video and see the protection systems in action for yourself, and tell us in the comments section below what you think about ANCAP scores. Do they matter to you? Would you buy a car with a safety score less than 5 stars? Please let us know in the comments section below.